Hi friends, welcome to tilottamahandloom.in. I am Chaitali, back again with some new collections of our Jakai Jamdani sarees. And thank you so much for your love and support and your cooperation. Thank you so much. Thank you so much all of you. And people, if you like to purchase our sarees, just it's a very easy process. Just take a screenshot of the saree and WhatsApp us. WhatsApp number 7890721706. Otherwise, you can log on to our website. It's www.tilottamahandloom.in, and you can purchase directly from our website also. And if you like our videos, please subscribe our channel for new videos and press the bell icon for your regular notification. So let's start to see our sarees today. This is our first saree. This is soft Jamdani, white self Dhakai Jamdani saree. It's all soft Dhakai Jamdani saree. Its material is silk cotton. It's not muslin. It's silk cotton material, very farmer friendly and very lightweight also. And it has the small buttas all over body and meenakari work. It's in front of the saree. It's very meenakari work. It's only in front of the saree, and all over saree has the small buttas. This like of small buttas all over saree. There is no gap in the saree, and have the temple border. It has this long temple borders in it. The saree price is 1950. This is a saree look. If you like to purchase this saree, just take a screenshot of this one. Our next saree, this is saree color is golden yellow, and it has the border is a temple border on it. This long temple border on it, and it has the small meenakari work on the buttas in front of the saree. Just only in front of the saree has a small golden meenakari work, and the rest of the saree have the small buttas on it. All over the saree have the same small buttas on it, and the border is on long temple. And this is the pallu. It's pallu design. It's very beautiful color, self Jamdani. These sarees are without blouse pieces. You can pair it up with any contrast color, single color blouse, or any printed blouse also. This is our next saree. Saree price is 1950. It's soft Jamdani, color golden yellow, and the body have the small buttas on it. It's very beautiful color, and saree is very lightweight also. This is our next saree. It's black Dhakai Jamdani saree. It's self colored as black, and it has a self work on it. I will give you the single pleat look. This is the design. This is the border design. This is a typical Dhakai Jamdani border. It's Korat work. In Bengali we say it's Korat Kaj. It's a simple plain Jamdani border on it, and all over body has the small buttas on it. The same. Both border are the same. It's I will show you the single pleat. It's the border. This is the border, and this is the saree. Okay, and I will show you the pallu. This is the pallu. It's very beautiful pallu. The pallu is a typical Jamdani work on it, and all the sarees are hand woven saree. All these sarees, this saree price is 2450. This saree price is 2450. This is the next saree. This is another very beautiful color. The color is peach color. The color is peach color, and the body has the this work is all over body. The diagonal box border, and it has the small buttas on it, and the butta also have the meenakari work inside the buttas. All the designs are hand woven design. There is no machine work. All these designs are hand woven design. This is the border design. Border also very beautiful. See the border. Border is very beautiful one. It is a Jamdani work border. This is the pallu. It's the self Jamdani. It is the without blouse piece. And the price is depends on the work. How the deep work is, that is the difference between the price differ. Which is a lighter work, then price is lower, and the work is heavier, then the price is little bit high. So this saree price is 2650. This is the all over body work, and the work is very different. It's a typical Jamdani work. Very beautiful saree, soft Jamdani without starch. These sarees are without blouse pieces and all over the saree have the same work on it. There is no gap. There is no gap in the saree. Okay, this is the saree, full saree. This saree price is 2650. If you like to purchase two sarees, then you can get 100 rupees discount on each saree. And shipping is free all over India. And we are doing wholesale also. People, if you like to purchase wholesale, then you can contact on our WhatsApp number also. You can directly call also the 7890721706. This is the number. This is the saree look. If you like to purchase, just take a screenshot of this. This is the another color of the Dhakai Jamdani saree. This is the same pattern design. I will show the single look. This is the same pattern of the design. See, and this is the border. This is the border. The same Dhakai Jamdani work as the previous I am showing. This is also very beautiful. Color is royal blue. Very beautiful color. This is the golden meenakari work in front of the saree, and rest of the saree have the same jal motifs on it. This is the full look of the saree. This is the saree look. This is the saree look, and this is the pallu. It's pallu. It's Jamdani weaving pallu. All these sarees are hand woven saree. There is no machine work on it. It's all hand woven saree. This saree price is also same 2650. If you like to purchase two sarees, then you will get 100 rupees discount on each saree, and shipping is free all over India. This is the saree. If you like to purchase, just take a screenshot of the saree and WhatsApp us. I will give you the full payment details and booking details there. This is another very beautiful color combination, red with black color combination. All over the saree have the same buttas. There is no gap on it. It's hand woven saree, hand woven soft Jamdani saree. And this meenakari work, you can see this meenakari work. Meenakari work is in front of the saree, and rest of the body has a without meenakari work. See, this is the saree look, and this is the inside of the saree. These sarees are without blouse pieces. You can pair it with any contrast color blouse, any designer blouse with it. And this is the pallu. This saree price is also same 2650. If you like to purchase two sarees, then you can get 100 rupees discount on each saree, and you will get free shipping also. This is another very beautiful color combination. It's a black and white combination, all-time favorite color combination of a very smart color combination. This is a black border. It's a black border with the Jamdani weaving design on it, and all over body have the meenakari work. And this is the pallu, black pallu, and it has a black patli also. This patli part is in grey. It's not black, it's grey. The patli is in grey. Upper part of the saree is white, patli part is grey. It's half and half saree. It's very beautiful, elegant look of this saree. See, this saree is very elegant. This saree price is 2950. This saree price is 2950. Please, if you like to purchase this saree, just take a screenshot of the saree and send it to 7890721706. Next saree. It's orange. It's orange self Dhakai Jamdani saree. It's soft saree without blouse piece, handloom saree. It's hand woven saree. Material is silk cotton. All over body has the small buttas. It's small flower buttas on it, but there is no gap in the saree. And the border is Jamdani weaving border on this saree. It's very beautiful saree. Color is very beautiful, and this is the border, and the pallu is like this. This is the pallu. All the sarees are hand woven saree, and I will show the inside of the saree. This is the inside of the saree. There is no gap in it. This saree price is 2450. This saree price is 2450. If you like to purchase, just take a screenshot of the saree. And this is another very beautiful color combination. Body color is pink. It's baby pink. Body color is baby pink, and border color is navy blue with a white combination. And all over the saree have the small buttas on it. This is the pallu. This is the pallu is designed with the navy blue border, navy blue color combinations border on it with pink, and all over the saree have the small buttas on it. This is the saree look. This saree price is 2950. This is the last saree of this episode. People, if you like to purchase this saree, just take a screenshot of this and send it to 78907217. That's all for today. Thank you so much and happy shopping with us. If you like to purchase our sarees, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number 7890721706. Otherwise, you can log on to our website. It's www.tilotamahandloom.in. You can directly order from our website. So much for watching our video till end. And if you like our sarees, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notification. Happy shopping with us.